Hello and welcome to week 11. Happy Halloween, everybody, or there's about, depending on when you're watching this video. This is Johnson Community College's English 112, fall 2019. All right, so week 11. So we have had a chance to be working on our proposal papers, and what you're going to do now is the goal is for you to post your first draft of your paper pretty much right away, as much as you can. If you do it in a few days, that's fine. But you need to post your paper so you can have others review it. So you'll notice down here there's no quizzes or research logs or anything like that. Right now we're doing peer reviews. And how this is going to work is if you go over here to the discussion board, and you scroll down here to the review, proposal peer review thing, okay. What you'll do is that you will create a thread. And then what you'll do is you can just give this a title, you know, my paper or whatever. Okay. And then you're going to attach your first draft of your proposal paper. Okay. And that's what you need to do sooner rather than later, because then by the 7th of November, people need to, what we're doing is that we want you to look at other people's papers to review, and you're going to answer the following questions. Is there other issues with APA formatting? Does the paper have a clear thesis statement? Basically, what is this paper about? What's the proposal they're doing? Is there a clear organizational pattern? Remember that if you go back to the actual outline, this will be the best way to do that. So if you go back to the assignment, which is actually introduced, let's just do that right now. Okay, let's do that. Let's go back here to I believe it was week 9. Yeah, proposal assignment. So when we're looking at the organizational pattern, okay, there's your organizational pattern right there. There's your outline. Okay, boom. That's the outline that I would use. Okay, boom. All right. Okay, there's that. Let's go back to, let's go back to the discussion board. These are the same questions that were on the other page here. Okay, so they have problems with grammar and punctuation. And does the paper include research information which is properly cited in the text? So the answer is yes, it should include research information as far as is it cited, okay? And is the paper in third person only? No uses of I, me, you, your, yourself, whatever, okay, unless it's inside of a quote. You're like, oh, but I'm not sure how it's properly cited, or how do you do this again? So again, if you go to the video tutorials, you will see. Again, this is how you kind of find I, you, me, whatever. This shows you how to use you and fix it, okay? But then also, this video right here shows you how to do the in-text citations. So if you need a refresher, then you can watch this video and do that. So that's really what we're doing here for week 11, is basically we're just submitting to the discussion board, sooner rather than later. If it's again, I know you're just getting off the fall break. I know it's Halloween, so it's probably a busy time. But you have to give it enough time that students can redo the reviews by the 11th. Okay, that's when those are due. So that's what's happening here in week 11. All right, so go ahead and get her done.